K60 Ultra just launched before 2 days. Fast refresh rate OLED display, new flagship processor, superb in design, Sony IMX800 camera sensor, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Redmi K60 Ultra. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is the box of the Redmi K60 Ultra. Removing the plastic of the box and open the lid. First we have got cardboard box. Here it is, the Redmi K60 Ultra phone. Let's unwrap the plastic of the phone and talk about the design and build. The K60 Extreme Edition or Ultra, when I first unpacked it, it reminds me of the Mi 5 and Mi Note. They share similar design elements. The front of the phone is very straightforward with a straight look. The middle frame also has a straight design. On the back, it's rounded, which gives it a bit of the resemblance to the classic design of the Redmi phones. Now shifting to the present design, the back of the phone is crafted from the glass. It's surrounded by a smooth, large curved design on the all four sides, which looks really nice. The middle frame is still made of plastic and it doesn't include a screen bracket like other phones to do. The color choice is named Clear Snow, which is basically white but with a milky touch. The middle frame has a golden effect. When you put them together, it creates a highlighted look. In my opinion, this design is an improvement over the previous K60. It's less aggressive and has more of a flagship feel. The camera design is quite unique. It's a callback to the previous K60 with the blade-like design on the both sides. This time the circular parts around the camera is made of metal and it's placed in the middle. It's a design element similar to what we saw on the Xiaomi Mi 13. The K60 Extreme Edition is the first Redmi phones to offer IP68 dust and water resistance rating. Looking at the exterior, there are buttons and ports placed around the phone. At the top, there are secondary noise cancellation mic, IR blaster and top firing speaker. And at the bottom, you will find the SIM tray, the main microphone and USB Type-C port and another speaker. On the right side, there are the power button and the volume control. In my opinion, the design of the K60 Extreme Edition is probably the best looking among all Redmi products. It's sleek and functional, especially with its added water and dust protection. This time the screen size is 6.67 inches. The special thing is that it's an OLED screen with a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. The material from the screen comes from the Hoxing Optoelectronics and is known for its great quality. The resolution is 1.5K and the brightness can go as high as 2600 nits, which is really bright and top tier. The screen doesn't have a bracket around it, giving it a premium look. Overall, this screen makes the phone feel like a flagship with its smoothness and the high quality visuals. Talking about the processor in K60 Extreme Edition, there are two chips. The main one is a 9200 Plus, which is Dimensity's flagship chip. The second chip is X7, which handles the display independently. Having two chips really boosts the gaming experience. Now about the main chip, the 9200 Plus, it's like an upgraded version of 9200 and it's about 10% more powerful in performance. I use Antutu to test the phone's performance and it scores around 15,86,430 points. In the 3D Mark stress test, it showed the good stability at 85.4%. For gaming test, we tried two different games. I tested the game King of Glory. The performance was really smooth at around 118.8 FPS per second. The Dimensity 9200 Plus also supports a feature called MAGT, which customizes the resolution. For instance, during intense team battles, if there are any shot, the phone might automatically reduce the resolution slightly to keep the overall frame rate steady. You don't have to use the function right now. Even without it, the game runs smoothly. These features become useful when the game demanded more performance in the future. I also tested Genshin Impact after playing for 30 minutes in the Levelly port area. The average frame rate remained very stable of 59.8 frames per second. I conducted a temperature test too. The phone didn't get very hot. The room temperature was about 23.4 degrees Celsius. The front reaches the 40 degrees Celsius and the back reaches the 36.6 degrees Celsius. This indicates the good performance. The X7 independent graphic chip also plays a role in enhancing gaming. It increases the frame rate and improves the overall visual quality, making texture look better. In games, you can access it by swiping from the top, right and left. There are options for the picture enhancement. When turned on in the game Genshin Impact, the frame rate increased to 144 frames per second, which is higher than the default 60 frames. While some phones might offer 120 frames, this one goes up to 144 Hz. The overall image becomes smoother. With a noticeable improvement in the background motion, the effect works really well. To capture the photos, the phone uses the Sony IMX800 as the main camera, a choice I didn't expect. The sensor is also used in the Xiaomi Mi 13's main camera. The sensor size is originally 1 by 1.49 inches, but the shooting it's usually 1.56. It also supports the OIS, optical image stabilization. Additionally, the phone also has the other cameras, an ultra wide angle lens and a macro lens. You can see the sample photos. Let's discuss the charging and the battery life. The battery has a capacity of 5000 mAh and it can be charged at 120 watt. In a practical use, it can be fully charged in about 21 minutes. Additionally, the battery life is impressive too. After a 2 hours of test, the battery level only drops 85%. The starting price for the base variant of the K60 Ultra in China start from 2599 Chini Yuan, which is around 281 UK pound. Redmi K60 Ultra offers a great display, powerful performance, attractive design and a good battery life. It would be one of the best phone in this price range. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.